Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about the proper use of the software Chief Architect. By the term proper use, I mean we are going to be talking about the basic settings so that you don't have any difficulty while doing the design, or your design will not come out the way you don't want it to come out. So we have to do some little settings. It's very easy. Once we are done with the settings, we'll move further and quickly use the software to do a little design, a floor plan. I think I already made the provision of the design that we are going to be. Yes, is here a 3-bedroom bungalow. We have 2 views of the bungalow. So this is what we are going to be using for the tutorial. We are going to start from scratch and get to this finish stage. So please stay tuned to this channel, subscribe, like and share to get content from us on a regular basis. Okay, let's go straight to the software. I'll just click on software Chief Architect. Click on it. Allow it to load. So I'll click on New Plan. And the first thing you do, you need to create a pathway, or a pathway, yes, a pathway for the view that you intend to design to sit on. So I'll click on terrain, create terrain perimeter. By default, it comes with a 15 meter by 30 meter. 15 meter in feet is 50 feet. Then 30 meter in feet is 100 feet. I decided to extend it. Just click it, or you can type in the value manually, whatever value you want it to be. But that's not our area of concern now. So I will go to that model. I'll search for that model that I want to use as our tutorial, as a means to carry this tutorial. I'll click on it. This is the software. It's a recent, this is the file. It's a recent file. I think I did it last July. As you can see there. So I'll just copy the design to that new page. I don't want to copy to be using for this tutorial. So I want to copy this floor plan to the next page, to the page that we are working on, so that it will be very easy for us to carry out our design. I'll just click on wall to, since it's just the walls I want to copy, I don't want to copy the whole thing. I just click on wall symbol, then press down shift button and lights, and it's just the walls that will come along. I'll control C. I'll just go to the page and then control V. Let me put it by the side of the terrain. Take it closer. Okay, so we have our floor plan here. So what I'll need to do, I'll need to first of all go and set the wall in this new page. I'll just double click on the wall and then define, and see that our wall have different layers. I don't want these layers, I just want it to show 2 lines. So I want to take it to AutoCAD for my final dimensioning or detailing, whatever. It will just show as I want it to appear in AutoCAD. So I don't want these layers to be here. So I'll just click on New Plans. You see it changes. But if you look at this box here, it's showing that it's a wooden material. I want to change it to just a plain color. So I'll double click on it. Come to materials. Click on colors, color palettes. Yeah, I'll just choose any color of your choice. Well, let me go with this color neutral. Okay, if you look at this box, it's showing you that the thickness of the wall, thickness in between this line and this line is 100 millimeter, 4 inches. I don't want it to be so. Most times we use 150, 225. So let's, for the sake of this tutorial, let's just use 150. I'll click on 150. Automatically it will appear here. And I will also want to adjust the thickness of my line. So when I export it to AutoCAD, it will just show the way I want it. Or when you print it out, it will be bold. I'll click on this line. I will click on that box, then change it to 60 mm. Then the same thing. I'll click and change it to 60. I think that's basic. That's all we need to do for the wall settings. And I'll click on OK. You see it changes. And we have, if we decide to draw our wall now, you see that it's just two line, and then if you double click on it, it will show you the thickness of the wall, 150. You are seeing here. So that's it. The last setting I want to do, that's the first setting we need to do. The last I want to do on this basic setting, I'll come to this panel symbol, default settings, and I'll click on floor. I want to change the headroom of this bungalow to 3 meters. By default, it comes with 2.8 meters. I want to change it to 3 meters. I'll just click on 3 meters. Okay, that's all we need to do on this subject of basic settings. So let's start designing with it. I'll delete this. I'll just click on the wall tool, then I'll drag. Let's start from this area. What's the value here? Is 1, 2. Just click on 1, 2 here. So enter. What's the value here? 40. Now click on 40. Enter. And next is what's the value here? I'll just be checking the values, and that's 42. I'll just click and drag, and that's it. So we've gotten the whole dimension for this room here. Same thing, I'll do the same for this. Let's check I'll check the dimension. Here is 750. So the next word I'll come here should be 750. I'll just click on point-to-point dimension. I will measure it to 750. That's 750. I will escape and click and just drag it to that point. That's 1.5. Let's take the value and that is 2.4. So it's very easy to use software. You can do all your design here, but you can also export from AutoCAD, and it's very easy. That one is a bit faster too. If you've already got your design in AutoCAD, you just need to trace. Possibly in our next class, we are going to be talking about how we export our floor plans. In the next session, we export a floor plan, possibly this same design, and really show how you can copy or how you can model the floor plan, export a model for floor plan, and how you do a model like this. But in the meantime, let's just focus on how we can actually do our design with everything here in Chief Architect. It's pretty fast. Why it's a bit slow now is because we are trying to follow an existing design. So I'll click on tool 1, click on it, and the rest is 1950, I think. Yes, an order. I'll just extend this row, click on it and extend it. Extend it. I think this is 1/8. This one, and there's, what's the distance here? It's 600. I'll just measure from here. I get 600. So it means that I want to extend this wall outward. I can just decide to take this point here and different wall will come out from it. I'll change direction of where I want to pick the wall from. Let's check if we can order 350. 350. The software is very fast. It depends on how you are going about your design, because we are actually trying to follow an existing design. That's why even at that it's still very fast. Just click here. I'll check what's here. 2550. 2550. Let's check what we've done on 3D. You see, you don't need the right track. See, if I decide to see what's inside, I want to see what's inside. Like, you know, we in our previous class we talked about that as we go along with this tutorial, we get to see different functions of this different perspective view. Like if you want to see what's inside in 3D view, come to perspective flow overview. I click on it now. See, and just kind of get a 3D view glance of what you've done. Let's go back to floor plan. I'll continue with our design. Drag the wall. I'll check the distance here. It's 5.7. So I'll click on it. What's the distance here? It's 6.6 meters. Let me just click on this wall. I'll click on it and type 6.6. So I'll be following through. So if you have any question, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'll be very glad to give you a befitting reply. From here to here is in dimensions 900 to 250. Enter and then 250. Here should be what 1.5. And just drag it down to meet the other one there. And then I'll take this one down to this spot and drag this other wall to meet it. I'll take this one back. I don't want that point to be broken, so I'll just extend it. And that's all. We have our floor plan already. It's pretty much easy. So what we'll do next is to start adding our doors and windows, and just click window tools, You can see here there's door tools. If I click on my window, but I don't really actually like that window. So this is actually a window I've customized. But if you check see the difference between those two windows. Let's view it and see the full camera. So this window I've already done the settings on it. So along the way I will show you how to play around this. It's very easy. But along the way I'll show you how to make the settings come to your preferred taste. So I'll just copy this window that is here. When I decide to use these windows that are here, just click on it. Once you take your mouse, click on it, and just click, drop. That's all. But I don't want those windows. So I'll just click on the one I've been using before. I'll click on it, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. I'll start placing them in my desired spots. Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. All the spots that have windows on the model that I'm using, I'll just put all the windows. Put all the windows there. Before I start, I'll just lay heights. All the spots that have windows, I'll put click and split. And look at things, these are toilets. This area is our toilet and bath. This is also our toilet and bath. And this is a toilet, so I'll just click on them, highlight all the toilets windows. Click on them, hold your control, hold your control key and click on those windows and in the toilet area and just adjust them. Come to open objects and change the height to 600, the width to 600 too. So you see they've all been adjusted. You can see the dimension. This place means the width and this one means the height. 600 by 600. While this one is 900 by 1. Dimension of the windows. So it's pretty easy placing your windows. Let's see what we've done until we do. Let's see. We have our windows. Very straightforward. So let's place our doors. I'll just click on the door symbol here. I'll double click on it so I can adjust the width. Click on interior doors. It's already by default it comes with 800 by 2.1, so I'll change it to 900 is 3 feet. Just okay, it's done. So let's start adding doors to our rooms. See, you notice something here. If I start to drag this door to this point, it will not get to the end as is being shown here. This one just comes to the end. So what I will do, need to go to this symbol here, this select audience. I'll double click on it and click on ignore casing for opening size. Resize, okay. If you come back and drag it, you just go to the end. So I'll just click on my dot to start dropping. I want to change direction. I'll click on this symbol. Either I click on this symbol or you just come here and click on change swing side. That's it, but I just prefer doing it manually. So I'll click on it. I'll place all my doors first. Place all my doors. You can decide to start adjusting the width later on. Place all my doors. Place the change the direction. Sorry, that's not where I want it to be. And to be here. So I'll just drag it to this point and jump to the end. I'll place a door here. I'll change the direction. Also place a door here. I'll change the direction. Place a door here. Change direction. Or swing. Then do something here. This is a two-way swing door. So I'll just click on it and change the dimension. Once you change the dimension to 1 to automatically just adjust itself. Same thing for here. I'll change it to 1, 2. I'll change it swing direction. I think we've placed the whole of our door, but if you are looking at this point here, you are seeing something like a door, but it's not a door, it's actually a doorway. You can actually get it from this icon. You click doorway, click on doorway and place it here. It's an opening, but it's not a door. Just place it at where we have those openings in our plans that we're using. This is the dining area, and the width is 2690 by 24. So let's do exactly what's there. Width is 2690 by 24. Okay. Yeah. That's what we have. Okay. I think that's all. I've done with our floor plans. I'm done with our floor. Okay, we still have some buses here. Let's check the width of the bus. 600 by 300. I'll just drag. Click on this point. Click on it. I'll just dimension 600 by 300. This 300 is out to what, so I'll just use 150 right now. So 300 was into art. Same for this area. Okay, let's look at what we've done on 3D. I'll just click on 3D symbol, and so we have exactly the same design. Okay, but this opening, we've not done it. Let's quickly do this opening here. How to achieve this opening that we are seeing here, and this opening that we are seeing here. So I want this place to be opened. Just this point. Just this point. To be from here to here. I don't want the whole place to be open. So what I will do, I'll just click on my brick wall tool and click on it and click. That's all. So what I'll do next, I'll just double click on it. I'll click on invisible. I'll OK it. As you can see, there's also an opening here, a doorway, about doorway of width of 350 by 21. So I'll just click on the doorway 350. 350. Okay. We have up to 1, 2, 3 doorways there. So I will just, since it's 350, let me multiple copy 350. I'll space it by one foot. So I add 1 foot to 350, will now be 650. 650. Okay, I'll just click and drag. Click and drag. Here we're having 1, 2, 3. I think that's the 3 needed. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Yes, that's what we're having. Okay, so if you let's check out what we've done on 3D and see if we're on the same track. Yes, we're on track. The opening is there. We have 2 windows here. These windows here, they are slimmer. So just go check the width of this window. So click on it and see it's 615. So let's change this to go back to the floor plan. I'll change it to 600. 600. I'll just make copy paste and drag and click and drag. And we've gotten exactly what we did there. We've gotten it. So that's all for this session. So we'll continue from where we stop for today. Hopefully in our next class that we will get a complete overview of how we arrive at this beautiful model that we are seeing here. So stay tuned to our channel. Simply like, subscribe and follow us, and comment, share, so that you'll be getting content from us on a regular basis.